In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online to access and modify your chart of accounts and how to change an account number for the year 2025. This guide is designed to walk you through these steps in a straightforward manner, ensuring that you get the most out of your QuickBooks experience. To get started, first, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome, and enter the QuickBooks Online URL in the address bar. As you arrive at the login page, input your email address and password to access your account. Make sure you have this information at hand to avoid any delays in getting started. Once logged in, the next step is to access the chart of accounts. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon, which serves as your navigation hub. Under the Your Company section, select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the accounts currently used in your company file. This list serves as the backbone of your financial record keeping in QuickBooks. If you haven't already enabled account numbers within your chart of accounts, it's an essential feature for managing your accounts efficiently. To do this, once again click on the gear icon, but this time navigate to Account and Settings and select the Advanced tab. Here you'll find an option under Chart of Accounts to turn on Enable Account Numbers. Toggle this setting to On and make sure to click Save to apply the changes. With account numbers enabled, you are now set to change an account number. Begin by locating the account you wish to update in your Chart of Accounts list. Once you found the account, click the drop-down arrow next to View Register and select Edit. In the Edit window, you'll see a number field where you can input the new account number. Carefully enter the new number, ensuring there are no typographical errors, and then click Save and Close to finalize the change. To conclude, always verify that your changes have been applied correctly. Review the account in the Chart of Accounts list and check that the new number is displayed exactly as intended. For an added layer of assurance, you may want to run reports to ensure that all transactions under this account reflect the updated account number accurately. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing your chart of accounts and changing account numbers in QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions, you ensure your bookkeeping remains organized and error-free, facilitating a smoother financial overview for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.